Okay, so we're just going to plant this other post. I'll show you where it's at. So what we're going to do, we're going to string from here, from this post.
Oh, look at the bug.
Over to that post. And that'll give us a nice straight line where we can line up this post straight up and down. Does that make sense? In addition to that, we're going to put a string up at the top of that post. Are you looking? See where I'm up at the top of that post? Okay. And we're going to string it all the way to the top of this post up here. Okay. And what that's going to do is that's going to make sure that all the posts are the same level and same height. First things first is there should be a bucket with that string behind the mini barn, that big white bucket with the string on it. Can you get that? If we want this string tight on this edge to that edge, what we'll do, we'll put a nail in on this side. Okay, and then we'll put a nail in on this side, about the same height. Okay, now take this string and tie it around that little nail. Get it? Now we're going to take and we'll string this up around this one nice and tight. And should hold it back. There, bud. You gonna help me get this post? It's not super heavy, but it's big. Grab that end. Okay, you put your end down first. Alright, you got it in. There we go. So if we make sure that it's level on two different planes, and we can know that the post is plumb. You know what plumb means? Well, no, doesn't mean level. Plumb means straight up and down. Alright. Not exactly. Can you look at that level, that little circle? Make sure that it's in between the two lines. Okay. What do you need to make a straight line? Nope. A straight line requires 2 points, right? So we've got point 1 on that post, point 2 on this post. That's going to tell us, yep, where the straight line is on point number 3. Tippy. Nice and tight here. Wrap this around a couple of times. There we are. Now, let's get these guys perfectly level. All right, what about this one? So it's level?
Yep.
Marked it where we have to cut it. Here you go, bud. We gotta take it out now so that we can cut it. Catch it, catch it.
You have to cut it?
Yeah. And then bring our line over to the blade here. Yep. All right, now lift it up and set it on these sawhorses. The boards are 5.5 inches wide. So we'll make a mark at 5.5 inches. That's where we're gonna cut that one, okay? Now our depth on this is set to 1.5 inches, so we should be able to cut these fairly easily. Here's one. Okay. Yep, turn it. It was just sliding a little bit away from me, but that's okay. No, it's fine. This side. All right. Grab me that big hammer.
So you have to leave it right there to get rid of that little thing.
In between. There it goes. Just like that. Something that you should have in your toolbox is some woodworking chisels, some cold steel chisels, a punch. All right, there we go. Appreciate you. All right, so we'll tack this in as a temporary support. Almost done. All right. Now we got to get it level on both sides again. All we got to do is lift these up, and when it's leveled the correct way, we just set it down and kind of dig it into the dirt so it doesn't move anymore. And all right, and then this one, it's got to come this direction. All right, good job.
So I'll just pour it right in there.
Yep, just pour it in. Try to get enough on all sides, or the same amount on all sides as much as possible. Now go ahead and pour the water on.
Okay.
That was a lot. Alrighty, I think it's about as good as we're gonna get it today. What do you think?